everyone, my name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today I will be preparing methi pulao. This is a very healthy pulao and easy to make too. So let's start. The ingredients required for making methi pulao or the fenugreek leaf pulao are garlic. Since these are small size, I have taken around 120 cloves, and chilies according to your taste. How I measure is for each cup of rice I take 2 to 3 depending on the spiciness of the chili. Half lemon. For each cup I take 2 medium size onion. I have taken today 2 cups. So I have taken 4 medium size onions. For each cup of rice 1 teaspoon jeera or the cumin. So for 2 cups I have taken 2 teaspoons. Similarly, I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt for 2 cups of rice. A big bunch of methi or the fenugreek leaf. I have washed it thoroughly and separated the leaf from the stem. I have taken only the leaves for this recipe. Double the quantity of water, that is for 2 cups of rice, I have taken 4 cups. So if you want to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity, take the water accordingly. The oil for frying the ingredients. These are the basic ingredients required for making methi pulao. First we have to wash the rice. So we will wash the rice. Then we will keep the water for boiling. This ensures that the rice is cooked properly. So after that we have to prepare the vegetables. I have kept water for boiling. Now I am adding the oil. I forgot to tell you that we need mustard seeds also for this pulao. I am adding the mustard seeds. I have added jeera. Now both mustard and jeera is spluttering. Once that happens, we have to add chilies and garlic. Now it's time to add the onions. The gas is on high flame, so we are going to roast this not too much until it changes the color. Let the onion become transparent. It won't take much time. This pulao is very quick. Not much ingredients are required here. I am not putting any garam masala or ginger because the flavor of the methi leaves is strong enough to flavor the rice. The onion has changed the color. Now we'll add the rice. I washed it. Now we'll add the rice and roast it for some time. Pulao does not require basmati rice. This can be done with the normal rice also. As I said, methi gives nice flavor to the rice and aroma also. So no need for basmati rice. Simple, normal, ordinary rice also is okay. Now I am adding the salt. After 3-4 minutes, the rice and the onion mixture is looking like this. Now it is time to add the fenugreek or methi leaf. I am adding the methi leaf at this point. Now mix everything thoroughly. The gas is still on the high. Now reduce the flame. Now you can add the juice of half a lime, or you can do it at the end after cooking. This is the juice of half a lime. I am adding it now. Now all the ingredients have roasted well. Now it's time to add the water. I am adding the water now. Mix it well. Close the lid of the cooker and increase the flame. We'll wait for it to give 2 whistles. Then we will switch off the gas and let the cooker cool before it is ready to eat. The cooker has cooled now. So let us open and see. The methi pulao is ready. Mix it with the light hand. Otherwise your rice will break. Now the pulao is ready to plate. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification. Please follow me on my Instagram page for more updates. The link is given in the description.